Learning from slides is passive. InsightLoop turns any PDF into an active tutoring session that listens to you and checks your understanding in real time. Students often think they understood a slide until the exam. Reading is fast, retention is low. There's no immediate feedback on what you missed, and asking for help is slow. Speak your explanation. InsightLoop transcribes it locally, compares it to the slide, detects uncertainty, and give precise feedback on what's right, what's missing, and whether you can move on. This is a demo of the Insight Loop. On the right, you can see that you can upload your learning material in the type of the PDF file. Let's upload a test slide. Or you can also select recent documents over here that you previously uploaded. Let's start learning. We can see here it's a PDF. From this side, it's a PDF slide. The lecture is from ComSci 589, Lectures 11, Neural Networks, Canon, and Tree-Based Regressions. On the right is a tutor assistant, so you can chat with the tutor as well when you go ahead and study. Let's press next. You need to explain the concept in the first slide. However, in the first slide is the intro slide, so you can go ahead and skip this slide, or you can reread it. Let's skip this slide. First slide, the regression task. Given a feature vector x in RD, predicts its corresponding output value y. Okay, seems very simple. We can go ahead onto the next slide, right? Wait, let's explain the concept before moving to the next slide. Let's try to remember what a regression task is. A regression task is something with x and something with y. I'm not quite sure. It seems like we are a bit confused with our response, as our confusion score is about 25.7. It detects some uncertainty in our explanations, and it wants to help us to clarify the concept in the slides. Let's ask, what is regression task? When we send this message, it will call on to the backend of the model Llama, in which we can review the content of the slides. So the information of the slides combined with our questions will be input into InsightLoop. Okay, this is helpful response. It seems right. Regression task um, definition is being described. Also provide a great example over here and a key idea over here. It also wants to clarify or more, but it seems like it's a simple definition. So let's press next. Okay, we need to record the voice again. Let's record. The regression task is when we are given a feature input x in R of D and gives out a corresponding output value y in R. The transcribes seems to work perfectly, and then we're not a bit confused right now as the confusion score is decreased. The understanding is correct. Um, this one is a bit of a hallucination, but it's fine because we explained everything correctly, and the feedback seems to be very positive about our learning goals. So this is everything about InsightLoop. We will continue to improve this in the future by providing personalized lesson plan, so students can actually personalize their voice recordings and their analysis based on their own learning experience. So the chatbot can be monitoring and providing accurate, more accurate responses. We are hopeful about InsightLoop in the future, and thank you for listening.